Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy.
Kemedena Richa via Sean Mshuluzi. Sean Mshuluzi.
Sean Mshuluzi, kwakuzinto, the one and only. Sean Mshonana Mshonalino.
Mshuluza.
Sean yaphinda yavuka yavusa abanye. Abanye bayaziyo babizwa ngomalumsi, lumere illuminator style indoda eluma abanye.
Illuminati. Alumelu. Uyawula bafethu. No bafethu besifuna ukubonga bafethu. Sifuna ukubonga for uthando lwenu okusifrostana nokusibekezelela kuzo zonke izinto. You've been the best, guys. Angifuni ukuniqambela amanga. You've been the best. Without you, we would have been here. Not that ngilana ngenxa yenu, but then without you, if you guys were not here, I would have been here. But then let's not boast about that. Let's not brag about you guys bringing up Ukeme, and let Ukeme not brag about you guys listening to him, because if it wasn't for you, Ukeme wouldn't be here. Let's not kotla to create memories. If you're not creating memories, what are you doing with your life?
You understand?
What are you
like
doing?
guys. So yeah, guys. So bringing you a mini vlog nyana, something small nyana.
Come with us, guys.
Zongala nathi
So
fanda
keep my TikTok.
kule journey lena esinayo today, guys. So as I promised you, izolo we live ukuthi ngizonishayela video and ngizonishayela video, and as much as benginitshela ukuthi ngicela ni subscribe to our latest YouTube channel. You finna see the most, guys. You finna see the most. Shumaye ngizonenzela izinto zenzekale ngendlela kwamele senzeke ngayo, understand that, guys? So stay tuned, guys. Hlalani nathi lana kule channel forever and ever. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment. Na lehlanya lami, guys. Na ile walk. Ekhumbula le ngoma leya, cafa imoto top. Ekhumbula le ngoma leya, na ile walk. Dun 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 dun. Naman. See me the man. It's the man. See me the oh. I fork, guys. It's slow, bro.
Squash it inside the water and turn it into a so
Yeah.
life gives you a lemon. Squash it into the water and turn it into a lemonade. Aye. Word of the day.
Party word of the day. When life gives you lemon, make lemonade. Yo. So guys, zingapha eAbsa. So keep on chin and manje lana eAbsa, guys, i-camera ingeni. Azobona ngathi so babamba inkunzi because this is the biggest bank. Sizela ku foreign exchange.
So keep my TikTok.
Yeah, so keep my dollar, guys. So keep my dollar. Abuya kumama wethu uMara Mo. Yeah, imali buya kumayimara. So guys, now we done, we out. We are finishing with the man. Making noise, dog. This guy. How should you are?
I'm calling it on the lowest level.
He's calling it on the lowest level. Again and again and again.
Guys.
So guys, a little bit of a peep check. You get it? Like,
let's go shopping.
Peep check. Let's go shopping, guys. Peep
Come
check.
shop
Guys.
with us.
Come shop with us. Let's
if
go.
If you don't want to,
forget about
it, man.
Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, that's what's happening. Yo, shout out.
Why when who's churches are why churches are on my balcony?
So yeah, guys.
No, manish.
Bro.
Mfana mina ngibuyele ebholeni, mfana mama seliphuli mfana. Yo. Guys ngicela i-team yebhola. Cabanga sekugijana.
This guy call him crazy photos namanje. What's my kukuzi kwankwazi way? Yeah guys, so vandaag if I ain't show be, do you know this guys? If I snap you a picture and then ask for 10 rand, guys.
Guys, one more we are doing the most. Let's go.
If I snap you a picture and ask you for 10 rand, what did I say? Think I'm lying.
Bafuna ukushoot. Laba guys bashoota ngenkani maqeda bayasibhadalisa. Angisho ukuthi ngishoot like what the man? I didn't say you must picturize me. Why you picturizing me?
Why?
Why you picturing me?
Brother unique mati mangiphuma bayangishuta.
Konke la ngihamba khona.
Bonke la ngihamba khona bayangishuta. Bangishuta noma ngingacelanga. Abanye futhi abangiceli.
Angiyazi ukuthi ngizothi hayi. Manje bayangishuta.
Why? Why shoot me? Why picturize me?
Ngimzila uthola ngokuthi uhamba ngeyini.
No man.
Mind that please.
Don't entrance my life if I don't want you to entrance. He came me. Don't entrance my life if you don't want me to. If I don't want you to entrance, don't entrance my life. Why
There's no
entrancing my
entrance
life?
for you in my life.
No man.
There's no
Don't
entrance for you
entrance
in
my
my
life.
life. Why are you entrancing my life? If you don't want me to entrance your life, don't entrance my life. There's no entrance for you in my life. My life, Baba, doesn't consist of an entrance sign. Consists of an exit sign. You enter. It is hard to enter, but difficult. But easy to exit.
It's not hard to enter. It's hard to entrance.
Yeah, it's hard to entrance my life, but it is difficult. It is easy to exit. Guys, isilungu sami kancane siya ngokwehla, siya ngokuphela. I'm worried.
Hayi mfana. I don't blame you. Sizena belungu ngescape.
I'm worried nge-English yami.
Mele sibuyele move.
Ay.
So trans 1. When trans 1. Into ayithandayo ukungena la kuqala. Anginaki. Mina laba nifollowa kakhulu lapha ku TikTok. Ngihlale nazi. Ila game bekade lelibhola khona la kule game yala.
Manje umuntu emdlalela kuyibhola.
Uyaspeeda lo.
Ngiyolithenga jule la imbono. Yalbo. Na open space. Yabo. Open space.
Uyodlalela kayi vandag ipol. So this guy finna play soccer vandag in here. Finna buy a ball. Finna buy a ball. So this guy can play soccer. Ngayi. Anye mfana.
Mangizal boy.
Bashile ngokudubu.
Bangiyeka izolo. Zongenzani ungiyeka izolo?
Zongenzani izolo Saturday.
Oh Saturday. Imoli yala uzangitsheleni. Ama entrance ahluke like uma uya ku entrance 2. Uma uphuma maybe uya kwamanye ama shop uphumela ngaphandle. Like uyaphuma. Ushawa umoya for like 2 minutes or so. Then uyababona. There's amachita afuna amahabi.
No, I'm happy.
Nabasebefuna ihabi.
Ida guys, into enzakalayo lana guys is that sizoshaya ishopping yana encane. Siza kayi kahle guys. Sizwa la kayi.
Uthenge spam.
Siba.
Ngibona ukuthi unadudu.
Bayangikhathaza la.
Nabasebefuna.
So I want to buy a gun.
Nalabo mama bethu abaphekayo nawo amaphoto.
Nah, come on, shop.
Mama bethu abaphekayo nawo amaphoto.
Pots and pans.
Yabona ama escalator ngaphandle. Yabo, mara today sizothatha elevator. Let's go check.
We have elevator.
So, ngithi ngiyaphezulu. Ayithi upstairs la nene.
Bed abangana mibhede. Bete fresh.
Ngeke lento yokulala ipolitiki. Mimpete. Khadman ngicela ukutest ukuthi uyenza into right la. Alright, ngizobona ngale store le. Zo check ukuthi ishaya kahle na. Mina bengifuna isofa last week.
This guy, when you're rolling with, you have to know one thing. This nigga is crazy and crazy as fuck. You check. Like, we are Qatar.
Sorry. Unjani? Ngiyaphila ngukeme Titeri kama yami content creator yaku TikTok. Iya bengifuna nethi nje ukwazi ukuthi angikwazi na ukutest isofa. Oh. Alright. Anathi nje ngifuna ukutest.
As I told you guys, this nigga is like chaotic and like we check guys.
Yeah, guys, but was a season man. No, I keep vlog. Yeah, it's my vlog for me. It's for me.
Yes. Content after content.
Please follow me, guys. Guys,
Zoo job. Zoo job, guys. Zoo job. Shuma zoo job.
Keep it 400,000. Check yourself and us. No, we need to put those in now. So finish
So guys, like our phone was Caesar and we have the guap, guys. Imagine, guys, you don't wanna help us and we have the guap, guys. We got the cash, guys. Imagine.
Test that pair. With man said like I need to sing now. As I don't even know the trend, but why? That's true.
It was also a wonderful day.
It's a wonderful day.
So, guys, since vele siphathi kwemall so ikemo hamba yahlupha ne. Into mele niyazi ngayo. Mara athi aphuma vile so. Banga
ngitshela ngathi mina kwamele siye ku elevator nangu silahlile guys. Silahla ku vlog. Kube ngathi thina sazi manje ukuthi emamoli
silahlekile vele.
Hoy.
Awem.
All my queens in colors are calling me, you see my money. It's my money.
Uncles or can call me, you see my money. You see my money.
You see my man. I must stay there.
Nongqa, ngafuna social.
Masifika ngale aphambili.
Donation box.
Stop. Metro lifestyle. Restaurant.
Yeah, pants.
Woolworths. Checkers.
Mara, we going down. Why don't you just bamba it? My nigga, you wanna go down like Kupua Kon? Yeah, but my teddy bear. Now my teddy bear.
Nalabo my choice. Laba my bundle of joy. Now my choice. Bantwana ben bayeke ukudlala ngamanzi straight.
Oh no.
Konje le yini elevator.
The escalator. Yeah. No.
Nang mina nawe yimi nawe. Nang mina no short.
Funa ukugibela.
Yo. Inkule kantwana.
Mangayisa.
Nang mina no short guys. Basiyenze ngo2018.
Bheka, focus. Sam.
Hola bafethu. Fede.
Where we vying, Joe?
Why are we vying, man? Tell me now. Talk to me nicely.
Bua le nna sentle.
What's the goal? Hi Nana. How are you? Bazali bakho bathi ungabulisa abantu abamnyama.
Don't create black people.
Black ones. Woo.
So guys, stay with us till the end of the vlog. Yeah.
Like vlog band.
Angifuna bagaya i-vlog a cut and paste, I'm a cut and paste. Uma cut something clean, something authentic, you get it, my brother. I plan ya shoot. Angaze ayithola na. Kwathuleka like kwathuleka baba tu. Like you get it.
Mina mangibona bosisa bahle vele guys mina
Like, do you get it?
I
Like-
can't help it.
I don't want to give them a vlog of ukuthi in a cut and paste, do you get it? Like it has to be clean, my boy. It has to be like a clean vlog whereby now mama viewer they can see that this thing is authentic. Hayi la wala bafana la washa cut and paste. Nini sebakhathile bayaplan Bayaplan.
Laba bavuka babeka ama-camera bese balale futhi bese baphinde bavuke.
Like bayaplan. So ngene shop lentwana. Uzongishoot sure. No, wasiplan lana sisha vele kunjalo. It is like that baba. Ngibamba kanje le camera ngithili isandla sami sisesikhathala singitshela ukuthi no my brother now isikhathi sokuthi ngiyeke.
Kanti izolo last week ngisatshele ngitshole phi shop
I don't even remember my guy mara as long as we vibe in a find it.
bekuye yiphi la shop.
I forgot.
Ayilana kunuka istash lana.
Yeah, we lose cash.
Ayilana kunuka istash lana, kunuka impahla ezini.
Seshu City,
Incheka ama-guitar.
take it town.
Lintsha madoda. Lintsha.
These niggas be hugging and shit.
Guys,
Yeah.
liyantana leya bengihleleza nayo ngishaya nayo matric shasha man.
Grand
Ngishaya nayo matric liyantana leya.
Ah, that's on you, my boy. Mara, you niggas be hugging, yeah. Hey, let me keep quiet. They finna ban my vlog for no reason.
I'm trying to
Look at the picture too. Check the size.
These are cute. Love you, Maranati knows nice. My brother.
It's not giving.
Guys, I'm getting worried. Can't find what I want.
You should buy this one, James.
Mara nisho masengu Travis Scott ne. Kucha wena keme se Travis Scott.
Let's buy.
Mara bang shama price wanga ja. I'm not
Let's buy.
Oh yes. Not the tekle signal kumbuchi.
Something like this.
Bengifuna itekle Puma elinkambe ezitag. Chingbuz. Sorry, can I have help?
Assistance, please.
Can I ask for help?
I can typhoon guys. So we're moving on to the next store.
All my ones are calling you see my eyes.
The next door.
Moving on to the next trailer. Sama man, wala bigyan lang ng truck. Inakukwati yun.
What team lo? Ay shebeleza mapena, shebe mapena no nakwa.
Shebelo na.
Ay.
Nay mane.
Must be a medicine pine. I don't know. I don't know why. I'm doing Khale. Don't ask me why.
Ay, Khalid Mekti. Hiyaw sa pamena. Ana teni mina tagana o mundo tagana. Pinden bezelo kibela pues kubela hiyaw sa pamena babu sebo ay soteya. Hiyaw sa pamena. Ana teni mina tagana o mundo tagana. Pinden bezelo kibela pues kubela Iyante shapo na babu sebo ke bai so chega iyante shapo na ai ai dei ke na kana ho kana pinde yo
Angay.
ando ta fico maria
This is why I said that. Well, you know, I think I say la. La pomana con isene puma.
lana yasihambela ekhathina ngenana sebesithola phela sebesingakazi ukusunana empilweni
Mina ngirathi ngisho nje perfect benza mgcwele ngelikho.
Aphela manje kuyo cash.
Nje gijimelani. Umfana lo yangitelela. Ngimshaya.
Akunale yasimos ku donation box.
So, where do I enter me? Angisho mina wazi ukungidelela. I don't enter anywhere. Check out cover the store I showed you, my boy. Say thank you.
Thank you, my boy.
Hey, this nigga is swimming, guys. If you cover the nigga, tell me the name in the comment section. If you cover the nigga there. Because I don't cover the nigga. Look at him. Hola. Ukraine.
Kela ni package isipaji.
Cover the guy.
Ufune package ngayiko abuchitwa. Mara fere nyayikena le package ngihanchayo le. Angazi funa na intambo na ithathulo zenazi zentambo ezithe. Lezi intambo lezi zithe.
Oh, sure. Seriksen.
Ufuna
My
amanye
guy, say hi to the
amakhala
vlog, Pela, my guy. Say hi to the vlog.
Hola, my gang din sanda.
Yeah, so my gang, we are season, eh?
Akusithanda kwakho lo.
Ngithanda kwakhe ve.
Ubona sosemazweni.
Here's the
Ekhala
blue.
le fresh ngayithola leyo
Here's the
size
blue.
5. Nama price.
Ufuna le?
Yeah, i fresh price.
Size 5.
Yes. Mile ngisho manje ngikazi ukuthi ngiphathile sina.
Dish. Level vlog ne. Okay pon.
Guys ngibuyele ebholini mama chips. Sister ngikatshwanela pele le feng na cox mo. Kinyakobuye. Kinyakobuye. Kedala wing.
Yeah, usually it's a mixed that like it. Yeah, that color looks nice.
Guys.
If you are at the pink.
Guys, imayina donation nyana.
Donation guys.
Imayina donation nyana.
Donation yepu. Memo. Ah.
Hello.
No, we take the whole Chevy
It's so crazy.
Hello guys. Hello.
Mfana bengapressanga. For real. Msura ngazi kwenzakaleni. Cela ngitshela ukuthi awulitholi. Le moto werinaki single lady.
Utle ba re ke phuma eng?
Kazani. Kirata di tlhapi tse bright. They should be bright for them. Would you judge me?
No, for what good reason?
Groot man. Size man.
4.
4. Okay. Ariza,
Mari paliwe UK4.
Ariza me. Ariza. Ngibona size 4 sangihlala limidi ngihlala ngakhona 2018. Khuleka mfana khuleka.
Where's the face check? Ha!
Ini yona. Lichi mali.
I didn't say.
Ngitsoya khona.
Yazi original price ithi malini wena? Bozokhala njengami nawe.
Aisha.
There's a mirror here. Come see it. Come check. A young trip check nyana, guys. A young trip check nyana. So nothing serious, guys. Nothing serious.
I know it is not. So la mateka makhulu benloke nwabona. So like guys, what is angler? So like today we're facing the real story of the life. Like okay. Guys, an advice nya. Nakerata or kile advice. Puma. People Puma. Like ungazibuy this. Puma.
What do you mean ukuthi phumani? Like phumama out.
Like in Puma.
Asatshele pathiyo on lesibale. Uzoyiqokiwa. Angisho nangelithi abantu batshontsha bo left, abanye batshontsha bo right. So ithola ungawa.
Ashibuza.
Yeah, braga, alright, that's amara bulali finances. Arva. Hey bana ngiyazibona kanti. Ah, bengingaboni ukuthi ngiyazibona. Hawu.
Kwekwe lami.
Okanti mangizibona so kumele nami ithi cling ngingene. And then you impolo ngicela uyenze. Failed.
Okay, sharp.
Failed kabuhlungu.
Yeah, but man,
Sa.
Anake right. Ikopali package lesithako sa.
Unya box it.
Yeah.
Ha bona wena yo bona yatsela. Esile la ire. Usile wena. Ay. Esile la ire mebona mina ngini.
Now satisfied.
Yeah, it's sweet.
Oh bashana, sesithengiwe isicathulo bashana. Asibonaneni nge-30 bashana. Oh bashana.
It is what it is.
30 bashana.
So it is what it is. So yeah, we bought the shoe. Okay, we're kind of going to pay and stuff. So Maraya, great. Give me. Come and take a t-shirt, bro.
Yeah?
Take a t-shirt.
Should I take a tea?
Yeah, take a t-shirt.
Should I take a tea? Because money ngathi ba extend the budget. Imali ngathi ba stretch budget.
Scan the shoe there. Come.
Ba stretch budget.
Nah, take this one. You show Mama Coach open something.
Chokuni. Ikhala lezo ba right da.
Yeah, because you can't go for all white. It's extra small, are you aware?
Yeah. Can we not extra?
No, I was just saying it's extra small, are you aware? It's still good. Karena stressnya, right? Karena stressnya, right? Ah, kabuhlungu sotali. Namnyabuza. No, like down, yabo. Like down. Yeah? Abantu ba happy, it's a happy Monday when I'm down. It's according to me. And according to facial expression, yeah.
Somehow you found yourself within the Department of Health and became a therapist. And
I swear, naman name when I'm going to win. Ah, Mara.
so nice.
Jimmy
I'm
Crandall.
happy for you.
No, sharp neck.
Outside the pitch.
I'm happy for you, Shane. That kid looks like somebody I know.
Yeah, from TikTok.
Yeah, I think I know him.
Yeah,
Is it
from
the
TikTok.
preacher singing guy?
Yeah. The Kucho singer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kucho.
Oh, I've heard of the genre. I've been big like
He looks short, I think that's why. In my head he was tall.
So it's perfect.
He's always sitting down, so in my head he was taller than he is.
Camera also.
He has a very nice
Give me the narrative. How much is it? I'm going to 240.
920. Registered for points.
There's no Wi-Fi, there's no data at all.
Research me. I'm in a sister no more. I'm in a sister no more search. So search South Africa yonke no search me. So search South Africa yonke. Oh, you search like manje so. Ngithi uthi yangisearch like amabhoko.
No, like.
Adlala bek understand. Ngifolo wena.
Done.
Ooh.
Antsubala mana indawo.
Balama billion, counting billions.
Ay,
Counting billions.
mara niyawuhlupha umoya womuntu. Njalo umuntu kwamele ahlezi asekhamereni ngenxa yeni. Ayile impilo esiyikhethile.
Exactly. My point is
Bathi mabasinikeza impilo ukuthi sikhethe thina sakhetha. Ukuthi bayabonga no rababongani mina sengine trip. Kinale trip.
Ne?
Guys, thank you to Puma. Nyabonga guys. Nyabonga. Thank you to Puma guys.
I almost did the. Yeah, once again, thank you to Puma. Puma, come. Don't show it. Puma, come and sponsor us. Don't show the things, man. It's too early. It's too early. They're finna see it on the 30th.
Guys,
See it on the 30th.
if you want some cakes, Puma is the future. Puma.
What? Say what?
Puma is the future.
The future is right here. Puma come sponsor us. Guys, take Puma to come sponsor us.
Sisimole. Le friend man talal funu ukubona ukuthi why isilokho esibeka ifoni so. Isimole. Sungaka. ku-shopping baba ngemampara iestashi ingaki namhlanje 11 mina ngiyastasha baba letana lela baba ngeke
When you change yam guys. Mina bangicabange.
anetana leya ngeke uthe mangizwale sisimole unaka ciao pe angel ciao Filipai I'm your pie
No, I'm saying.
Finani finyama enhloko
Next mali phumile sengibroke. Angisekho happy guys, sengibroke ngadlala guys hayi. Mina me happy so happiest of the happiest and happiest of the happiest. Dana ngicabanga ukushiya ngayiye yabo kuyenza ukulanda.
ngishiya ba
Ngayi.
la phakathi
Ngizokulanda.
cabanga sengi-advertisement yase-Centurion Mall
Angisho bambila lenye phuma so. Yabo,
ngima
maqeda.
kanje
Uyangithola uma kanje ngithola. Maqeda uma kanje wonke umuntu ondlulayo yabona nawe uyazibonela ebrand ambassador ephuma. Guys, thekani iphuma lapho izoba brand ambassador.
guys from today always like mawucabanga ukuthengela ukeme something if it's not local brand let it be Puma guys let it be Puma 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 just alright
Sisengright.
you sure you don't sound
Anginamali ngizodla iskopo.
ay nyama yenhloko
Khalele wena manje.
lesi sa-iphone
Ne. Sizani?
lesi siphizi
Yeah.
khona lesi sayibaka
Wena usifuna?
ngishayindwe mara manje ngeke sikwazi ukuthola something yokubambisa
Hayi shona nje ufuna McD. For what reason I don't know. Ngoba every time masila emall ufuna McD. I don't know why.
ngikuthanda McD na 3 years ngingadli McD
Ha.
serious guys na 3 years i-relationship yami ne-McD iqedwe yi-pizza guys blame it-eboness mina ngiblame it-eboness mara today I promise myself ngiyodla McD promise myself McD
Ah ngizombhayela guys ne.
McFeast
Ngizombhayela ngithanda. Wena singakhala.
and then uhlapele cabanga nokuthi lo uhlapelwe yi-McD mina ngina 3 years ngingayidli angeke couldn't be me
It's not me, it's the situation, isimo.
inkinga yami nokubona bosisa bahle bona inkinga engibhekene nayo sangibona
Problem matata. This nigga is like a problem. This nigga is a problem. This nigga is a problem. And then mina mangihlezi ngimtshela ukuthi this nigga is a problem. Yo people think I'm lying, chill.
abanyazi mosukuthi bazongibulisa at the end of the day
Cause
mina
you-
guys ayikho into
cause you
engizoyikhuluma nani
problem.
mina ayikho into engizoyikhuluma nani nginamateka amasha mina nesikipha esisha ngithini mina
Problematic problem. Ngithwele kanzima guys. Mina nazi. Mangimtshela ku live hlezi nibona ngathi ngiyadlala. Ngithwele kanzima guys. I'm twirling twalong. So guys nakhulile eMac Cafe.
ngitshelile ngathi ngifuna iMac manje ngingena kuqala vele mina ngihlala ngena kuqala
Ngitshekile ngathi ngifuna iMac Cafe.
manje akusa-order lapha sekubhalwe emishinini vele compulsory
No you can. Mara mina I want to write here.
for ini
For the me and the me and me and the me and the me and me. For the me and the me and the me and me. Do you get it guys?
na wifi la
My fire code.
people of South African metaphors, how are you?
Sambe se ora soli isikhathi eside sa. Thatha into zakho, zithola zingekho. But in life, don't trust people. Because if you trust people, people will...
Who will untrust you?
Don't be too trustworthy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, sister. Rega kaya ka mo rega. Like the compensatory, then I sa order mo.
What? Marar ba ito mo?
Eskin lagi kira kira jaga 3 ya fita ya trek. Ika maratos binila mo.
Marawai marmesis.
Why?
Why not focus?
Awara kukumesa ka.
Eat in, take away.
Eat in.
What to take away?
Check away. Eat in.
Bamba soup.
CJ spread.
What do you want?
I'm finna make feast.
We are all debating.
No, my sister, they never understand the scour. Just let me know order that.
So the unfortunate.
You can spicy or the normal. If it make no combo.
I'm finna make feast.
No, spicy or the normal one.
Spice. Normal one. Ni spicy ya baba mas. Normal. Make it a meal. Hi guys, mina le mishinshini le mina nyazi.
Large, medium, regular.
Large. Eh? One thing
Mama tata le nye kusasi scope.
Yeah, sharp. Large. No, guys. Oh, guys. Iko, ang funi ko is Sprite. Ithatha le testing standard yakho. Wena udla.
What is it?
Kushuthi nawe udlile isikole.
Obvious. Sengicabangile.
Mara siyasithanda isikopho mfana usho ukuthi vele boyiye ku McD for isikopho. So guys, this McD lena le McD lesikuyo uma brother lan every time mega driver abuya eLimpopo eMpumalanga. Yi drive through le bekayishaya. Ayikhe. Yabo? Ha. I donate 50 rand. Complete order. So apatala lead. Pick up at counter. Asiba pata. Arwofuna wena uguchu Maybe park and
Dubai Q's Club.
Manje riding uhamba na. Mali kancane iyaphela.
Sebenza.
Yo uphidi angahlanya uphidi. Sibona sidla la. Uphidi. Buyitumela.
Maria, oh, okay.
Hi, Osmaria.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks in yourself, Osmaria.
Thank you.
Good, thanks.
Do you have our app?
I don't
No,
have your
Osmaria.
app.
What? Can I assist you to download our McDonald's app?
Do you have Wi-Fi in your McDonald's?
Yes, you have McDonald's Wi-Fi.
Let's see.
You see now, we're doing technology. Check.
My vlogs is like
Mobile
this.
order and pay. You can still order while you say
Everything.
everything.
I don't get to stand up.
Thank you.
Just log into our McDonald's Wi-Fi. Go to Play Store.
Boy, you finna find me sitting down. What? I'm looking for a table, my boy. Outside or inside? Outside or inside? Huh? Boy? 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 You gonna play outside or inside?
Let's play once. Do you push?
Threaten push, Mary. Asking me, do you push?
I won't lose this.
Nah, boy, this is for kids. This guy.
20 minutes, what am I?
This guy wants to play here, boy. This is for kids. But, boy, you finna break this, nah, and you finna pay. And I won't pay you.
I'm not breaking any shoes.
I've been paying all my life. Boy. The order. Yeah? This guy. He's celebrating. I think I start. This guy. How's that going? What? This guy, guys.
Guys, I slide.
Young guy, this guy. When I know, I'm telling you this here, payment to nothing.
Nyai tau lu dah be. Funuk order shilla.
Minegeng keep. Ma order da. Gula subscribe ni sa kona ni QR code type shit ko ni test da ko ni chala discount ba app. This looking no pets allowed. Well, you always wanna break the law, ne?
I'm going outside. Bang compose.
Guess what? The food is here. Shit, I should have said no eyes. This guy. He's chowing non-stop, man.
Guys,
oh fuck, my fries. Guys, sorry for the language, yo.
I couldn't resist.
I'm bagging this shit out, boy.
Not that.
Wow. Shit is nice. Like, I shot some mega type shit. Why are you laughing, bro? Huh? Why are you laughing?
Agya, MD. Ndene. 9 vlog. 9 vlog. My chips are my wheel, show on guys. MD. Ndene. Ndene nyanje.
Angenza on purpose, boy.
Ndene.
There's a mistake.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We are not at home. Since I'm out. so sizothanda ukuba late nyana for live but then please hang in there for us. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry.
No, you got this nigga. Let's not be laughing you. I told you to subscribe, James. Please subscribe. Like, share, comment. Tell your family to come watch the vlog.
Guys, the matamat wala budi. Adala. So
This nigga.
yakubheka lo budi. Emektima udla bakubekela ne love letter.
I should have. Telling me about the app. I should have bought things. I should have bought spicy. Now this thing is sweet. And why can't I dance, man? Today we need and turning name for Islam.
Today I go be. Okay, sister, right nankinga bese ngimtshilile ukuthi kwakangakanani akhululeke as long as yena ngitshela ukuthi uzobuya early evali ayihluphi ke maru ayandizoza before 10.
Virginia. Guys,
But what time is late?
Game is 18. Asanga thasha ni drink yakhe since aqala. Anibheke ihamba la. Angazi umuntu ahameki yini.
Inyama yenhloko ngihami mina. Wake ngivamile ngihama ukudla kuluxury.
Because kunomkhuzu.
Chitwa usweet.
Late to 3 or 4 or maybe 5. Angazi. I'm still enjoying myself like this step, man.
Bathi nisajabulanga mndeni yo. And then le meal le ngithengise ukuthi ngibone wena uyidla last wangisha bathi into enkulu. Sikhala ngapha. Khala kakhulu uze ku loudspeaker.
Nibukele ni vlog, guys.
Bukele ni vlog. What are you? Athanda ukuzibekela isikhathi lo. Ambile ayiboneka le lazozalayo. Kodwa security. Ayi nobuhle ke. Ngibufuna sisho kanjani that's why uhambile wayothatha izaza le-security nobuhle nobuhle le umuhle ke Grootman umuhle la handsome yo guys angisebenzisa kanesauce emachipsini yo mina shem yo ngiyimi
ayikho into ke menze right Marno la koni serious ngata ayikho into enze right just into enze right ngikota withatha i-drink iyo izothikhopha nanto
generally ngizwile indaba yenkota general wena siyathi udayidinge uya evali but then uthe uzobuya ngabo my 6 before summer
andiyahamba
usisi wakho kamela ufuna uzomnceda What time is late? At 3:30. Smash or pass? Smash. Ushilo at 3:30.
angifuni ufana naye
Aja ayine group yomsebenzi.
ngizosho wena yaphinda nyasho tshelana ukemi ukuthi ngithe le group yemsebenzi siya lesibili ezenzayo le
Ah. Guys, bathi mixture ngiyenzele phambi kwenu.
ningizwile na ampa megama elinasho into engiyishoyo ngithi ngicela nimtsheleni ukuthi ngishilo izona le group yemsebenzi naye ngizwile baseduzane nami manje busy ngama-substance abuse
Mayisishiya lama container amabhag la eMcD.
ya ngishiya la
Ibondela ulibali. Uphathwa igibani. Bathi yeyo umsebenzi. Nama ngithi manje bayangikhuza guys. Mina guys I'm sorry for this step is far. I'm sorry. Mara like okay so
akunamara
so police
ngapho Grootman asukela abantu babola amazinyo le nizozalana namazaza ama-security Grootman abantu babola amazinyo bayakudinga leyo nibhizi udlala ngamazaza ama-security yo
are you
so guys yeah
ay khona lama chips alokadlala iBlack Boy
bokumnandi guys ukudla kwala eMcD kodwa ama-chips macala ama-fries lawo kuthiwa macala abanda
Mario.
But it's given Zimbabwe.
Angazi ukuthi uyanini mara nami ngibonile ukuthi vele uyebhala mara ukuthi nina ngazi
Why not consent? Kanti nisebenza nge-general GRP. Ngikushilo i-general GRP yena uyevali and then manje uzobuya.
sa so wena uzofuna ukwazi indaba zaningi
Job. Tell me why, guys. Please tell me why this part is here. This one.
ngoba ama-chips ngiyakahlelela why man?
Yeah, let's speak. Tell me why, guys. Mina I'll tell you why. It's because unganaki this part is ukuthi eyokuvala. Uvala kanjani ama-chips? It's because you have to tell this. You have to dial this, you get it. You have to bend it, and then far ketchup here. So when you're chowing, the ketchup is right here. Busy ketchup na pagas. But anyways, yeah.
When you have to catch up with him.
I'm sure we'll buy. Nakhona ahlelisa idini yabo
Lama-chips walana wayasilenda
because of into the slend. Into the angiyona kone le part there. Imoto izo slend.
ufikile futhi manje ngathi uzosiphendule Siyaxolisa. Sorry for the inconvenience. Njengoba sishilo masiqali ivideo ukuthi sorry for the inconvenience guys. Sorry. It was a matter of emergency. Ngithe ngathi ngithi ngilambile bazofuna ukudlala. Ngathi make day bathi bulk. Yo. Uzosala mntana nami ngaka. Never.
Then this weird I just dead.
Amazing.
Let's vibe, man. Let's bounce, yo. Be black as high as night and bounce. Let's vibe. Hey, the written pool, boy. Let's vibe. Let's bounce and go home, my boy. People be staring, yeah. Like people are staring at us like what the fuck. Just say hi. Just say hi, Joe. Don't stare, just say hi. Cause we can see that you see that it's us. Just say hi. Oh. Staring.
Why staring?
At the motor.
Naman. Mofuna ngisebenza ka Mr. T food unje.
You know, you buy that for transportation. Yeah, seen the little paper bag. It's quite heavy, you know.
Sinda amakhuphu. Shot this back la.
It's back part one into the.
Bangafakile ile.
Oh yeah, now I thought of it. Like that. Now for a moment I thought of it, but I was like, nah.
Asekela bona, asike senze into ewa.
Senza la.
Mina nasumndeni.
Senza phambili. Hey.
Ayizingaba nobabami.
Hamba nobani?
Nobabami. Papa waye wangibalekela le time ngisasemncane.
Ngingana mali, bese nginemali yabona. Engijani. That time ngingala ne-ex.
Seku-easy ukuba nomntwana mina ungishiya nga-5 years wawenzani wena una-5 phezu kwamama
Hey, mangakutshela isitori sakhe. Asifuni la kule live. Kule vlog I mean, esengijala kuba live guys. So stay tuned each and every day, ne?
Alfa Romeo
Kusengathi each and every Thursday. Stay tuned each and every day. Kemele narrator, TikTok live, each and every day ngo-3. It's a banger and a banger on top of a banger, bringing another banger. If you don't understand what's a banger, then you are lost.
If I wasn't walking behind
Akadini bathi yadzina.
abamkhuza ngefoni
Ulahle ifoni, uthetha lahle
fana nami
amafoni.
njengoba uhlezi ungikhuza ngemoto ngemesukanjani
Guys, so aningitsheleni, is this fair? Ukuyeme shumaye ngihlezi ngimkhuza ngemoto uthi asuke endleleni like umuntu othanda ukuhamba endleleni and uyangicasula yo. So ngiyamtshela ngithi ngizomyeka. Ithi kumshayisa kancane ngiceda ngithi sorry. Uthi mathole Rolex elifana nyaka ngikayine 5 rand. Mara kunini ngimkhuza?
mara uyo ungisusa kanjani emalini mase ikhona leyo mali leyo bese wena usungifuna imali ungisusa emalini ulokhu sikhuza sochayisa imoto usikhuza ama-million ngathi uzonginika ama-million mina khazi ngiyangikani xa ukuthi umuntu like mangihamba endleleni I know what I'm doing ungangikhuzi I know what I'm doing guys kudala sihlupheka abazali bethu lana abayazi i-double story sifuna ukwakhela abazali bethu i-double story singasebenzanga nomlungu oyi-1 laba bavela kuya-Blue Witch bona banjani okay stop guys mina ngicela ukubuza if mina ke imoto yangitshayisa then ngathola imali why kwamele ngimsherele because of uye bekathi ngingangena estradini namanje futhi ngingangena manje sibone ukuthi la ma-million azothola ubani
Ngiyamyeka.
awami
Ngiyamyeka. Athi ngamshayisa phuma umbonzo oyi-1.
yo umbonzi ayilapha izobilwile ke umbonzi
Wena
izobilwile
le-excitement esebusweni.
ame ngaphuma umbonzi ayizobilwile baba angingaphila ngaphandle kombonzi ogcoka amangcapsi ndoda ushaya ingcapsi leGucci nize nithi amen ele-Louis Vuitton angisakhulumi ayasa umbonzi futhi lapha izobe ingenzela ukulungisela ngoba uma ngifika lapha kwa-Raf lapha ngifike ngiyababonisa inyawo ngithi ababonisa ukuthi umbonzi awukho hayi umbonzi
This guy guys. Anyways guys, stay tuned. Sithole kwenye vlog elandelayo. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And out.